Well, here we are, again, for the nth time. We're doing the third game. I tried doing this already, and the sound just stopped, and it was really obnoxious. But, you know, it is what it is. But either way, I'm not going to freak out over it or nothing.
The Blargian Snagglebeast has an allergic reaction to swamp flies that last 2 turns. Ooh, it is on again.
This is about when it happened, so...
Your luck is extraordinary, sir. But do you lose as
gracefully as it will?
I
Okay, it's working this time. Everybody calm down.
There is a first time for everything. Agent Clank!
Yeah, this is the first time we see this disgusting creature known as Agent Clank. And unfortunately, we will be playing his game. Just recently forced a buddy of mine to play through it, and it was, it became a hell of a fucking
Stay tuned for more
endeavor.
Secret Agent Clank.
That was terrific.
Yeah, great. Change the channel.
But the man said to stay tuned.
We continue our live coverage from Belden. Just hours ago, the planet was attacked without warning by a terrifying alien race known as the Tyrannoids. Officials believe that an evil robotic supervillain known as Dr. Nefarious is the mastermind behind the Tyrannoid attack. As you can see, the Galactic Rangers are putting up a valiant fight, but they are no match for these tentacle-eyed terrors. Indeed, this backwater planet may be completely destroyed in a matter of hours. Donald Ratchet, Channel 64 News.
Looks like you're fucked. Oh, I'll tell you.
We're going home. But Velden is in the Solana Galaxy. Oh no, not the gravimetric warp drive. The untested gravimetric warp drive? The one you built from Blargian scrap metal? Coming? We are doomed.
You were saying?
I stand corrected.
I just hope we're not too late.
People say this is the best one out of the original trilogy, and it's just not. It's just not as good as the second one. The second one's just better, in my opinion. I'll see how that goes as time goes on, because it's my first time, or it's probably my 4th playthrough of this game, but like, first real playthrough of this game. Yeah, I got it. And the fucking controls are all fucked.
At line 1802. And welcome back to the Solana Galaxy.
Alright. We're working with it. No box breaker. It's kind of sad. Do I not have a jetpack? There we go. Shut up, idiots. They're just gonna say, hey, look, there's a guy coming to kill you. I do enjoy the fact that we do return to Ratchet's home planet. I am going to start skipping some of the cutscenes just because, genuinely, it's just like, Look, sir, there's a guy, and they're gonna kill us. And that's what they actually sound like that. That's just kind of fucking annoying. Shut up. I'm not gonna play Ratchet and Clank. In fact, I wonder. There we go. We'll do that. Alright. Come here, you big fucking genius. This is kind of looking emblematic of some of the PS3 games. Especially Tools of Destruction. This is giving off some Tools of Destruction vibes. Christ. Should I have? I don't know. Doesn't matter. I'm here to shoot dudes. That's as long as I can do that, I'm okay. Yeah, this is the old area that Ratchet used to live. And it's real fucked up. Oh, you guys are my friends. In fact, this is where his ship was. Yeah, you'd walk over here. I'd love a little 3D printed Tyrannoid army. That'd be cool. Yeah, so you'd walk over here, and then the rest of the level is that way, but we've already been that way. No jump boots, unfortunately. Yeah, shut up. Yeah. Now you heard him for yourself. Look at Ratchet's big fucking ugly man hands. What the fuck are you talking about? We are being shot at from the sky. Pardon me, but I'm busy getting... Oh... It's a little harder to get bolts in this game, I think, from what I remember. You guys are really contributing, by the way. So I'm gonna kind of get as many bolts as I can. Die. What do we... Trying, man. Fuck. I don't know where they are. What, these? Fuck off and die. It's my new song. And it goes a little something like this. Fuck you. Yeah, tough one. That vehicle there. I'm glad you guys didn't fucking do anything about that. Shut up. It's the president. Oh fuck, you didn't get to see Bill Clinton. Alright, well they make a big Bill Clinton joke and I talk like this. Ratchet, I want you to touch my daughter. Sir, I would never touch your daughter. Touch my daughter. That's what he says. Oh no, he goes, Ratchet, before you touch my daughter, actually go to Florida. Captain Porch there. And, yeah, that's what we're doing. Something about Dr. Nefarious coming back. And, yeah. Something about Dr. Nefarious coming back. And, he's like, only this fucking weirdo on this planet knows about him, so fucking eat his ass. Ask a question. And that's why we're here. That was a stupid mistake. Alright, I need to think about how I'm doing this. Very good use of that. Try to get over here before it runs out. Look at all that. Delicious. Delicious. Fuck you. You are just... This is just a far worse version of the first level from the second game. It does not flow super well. I don't like these temples. They don't look like they should be here. Like, colors, they're fine, but like, these just seem like empty spaces. God, I thought it wasn't recording for a second. Fuckers proceed to off of the fuck variety, and with the small child screaming outside of my apartment, fuck off and die. Sorry, I don't mean that. Alright, what the fuck was over here? Hello. They finally have a buy all button for the ammo, which is pretty cool. What you just want me to get? Yeah. It's interesting how this wrench stays up. Fuck off. That's the Inferno crate. Yeah, they started trying to add new special crates, and it went kind of well, but they didn't really do much with it. Interesting if there's some kind of randomization to it. Because I think you're invincible while this is happening. Oh my fucking god. Alright, well. That's cool. That. Anyways, that thing's fucking gone, so. Wall jumping in these games. What the fuck is over there? Ah, and I narrowly avoided death. Could have thunk it. What's the shit where I'm supposed to do? Yeah, okay. Boom. Give me a lick. So, this thing's breakable? No. I love the nest for the yellow pipes. Well, they shouldn't be.
Ratchet, we have company. Where?
It was mating season. How was I supposed to know she was your sister?
Very funny. You having a good time?
You trespass on sacred ground. Now you walk path of death.
But, sir,
Path of death.
Path of Death. I'm not buying the store, it's not workable. Alright, here comes the Path of Death. That's cool. No, that's fine. Cool. Idiots just get set on fire. Oh god. You stupid. It's very nice of them to put health and ammo through the Path of Death. Was it Mungo? Is that what this is?
Okay, we walked your path of death. Now, tell us what you know about Dr. Nefarious. Dr. Nefarious! They say you're the only man to ever beat him.
This guy's even dumber than
Captain Quark?
Yeah, Captain Quark. That's it, Quark. You've had this coming for a long time.
No, it's not Mongo. I'm thinking of fucking Size Matters, probably. Alright, fucking flawless. Eat a dick.
So, Quark has completely lost his mind. Now what?
Just keep the mask on. He thinks you are his new leader.
Shut up.
Great.
Incoming call.
This is Captain Sasha of the Starship Phoenix. The President has asked me to assist you.
Hi.
I see you have located Captain Quark.
Yeah, we got him, but, well, he thinks he's a monkey.
Of course. Bring him to the Phoenix and we'll see what we can do. Sasha out.
Bring him to the demonkeying chamber. Take his monkey hood.
Look at that,
I like
Clank.
the Phoenix.
This ship is amazing.
Welcome aboard the Phoenix, gentlemen.
And I stopped caring. I think I'm supposed to go in here. There's Scrunch. Running around like a genius. And the award for best cutscene ever made goes to...
How do you think he got like this?
Well, the life of an intergalactic superhero can be very stressful.
Yeah. Anyway, you're telling me this
I could go for a
nutcase is our
fucking
only
banana
hope
right
of
now. God
stopping
damn, my
Nefarious?
potassium's low. Need me a banana bag.
We're hosed.
Alright, anyways, let's go fucking talk to some idiots up here. I think I'm supposed to be going here. Hold on, what am I supposed to be doing? Yeah, section bridge. So there's this lovely little section here you go through. I don't know why you would install this on a ship, but wherever float you go.
We're losing the signal. Try boosting the power.
Fuck was that?
They came out of nowhere!
There he is.
Tyrannoid invasion force! Residential compound has been breached! Cannot hold out much longer here.
Mr. President. Dad! Are you there?
Dad?
Fuck you.
Robotic
There he is.
citizens of the Solana Galaxy. The hour of your liberation is at hand!
I won't be skipping Nefarious cutscenes because he's actually the greatest.
Under the bigotry, the stupidity, the squishiness,
It's very blue,
and foul
too.
stench of organic life forms. Soon, all robots will bask in the liberty and equality of my benevolent, iron-fisted rule. As for you filthy organic life forms,
love Nefarious. He's my favorite
Course from
enemy
Arcadia.
from these games.
Maximum speed. Prepare the dropship for
Anyway, shut up. So we'll go to Arcadia. Fucking hit that shit up. Touch a bitch. You know? You know what I'm saying? Really just finger a bitch, you know? Really just get that fucking gusher flowing, you know? That time of the month don't matter. Get that shit going. Get that shit flowing. Get that shit up and in the air. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Sometimes I really ought to just stop talking. Like, for real. Yeah, we're gonna go to Arcadia. Hopefully we can go to here. This is one of the first games that, that's where you get the power-ups. I don't think you get anything similar in this one. I don't know how similar it looks, though. Yeah, this place looks completely different. Shut up. I know the gun guys are shooting at me. I comprehend that. See, I do actually like this map, it just doesn't feel like the place that it's trying to be. Alright, well, Spitting Hydra is the next thing we're going to be getting, because it's a very fun weapon. Nitro Launcher is not a great AoE weapon, just a hidden threat. Come on. Oh, right. You didn't have to do that. You really didn't have to do that. Fucking dead. They're all dead. Why did they just fucking teleport away? Useless ass robots. Legitimately useless ass robots. Level up. I need to make the most of this bolt thing while I can. Nope. Let's start clinking soon. That was a mess. Whatever. I'll take it. Am I not... Does this not, like, go somewhere? Oh, was I not supposed to blow up those crates? No, never mind. Even that's a bit dastardly from this game. Oh, fucking took it to his fucking eye. I love these little guys. Like, I don't know, this is not going to make a lot of sense to people, but to play one-page rules, it's a tabletop game, war game, you can make your own little army and have it get custom balance stuff. And, it would be great to 3D print a Tyrannoid army. I would absolutely paint and play a Tyrannoid army. In fact, I might look into that after this, see if that's even possible. Like, these guys could be las cannon dudes, you know, some deadly weapons. Welcome, Dudley. Here's a better time with this. You double strike? That's interesting. Shut up. See, I like this shock blaster. This is one of the better versions of this gun. Because later on, you'll be able to charge it, and you can do some pretty insane shit. And otherwise, it just has a nice rate of fire. You know, it's not completely fucking suppressed like the last few games. Even the last ones are still usable. This one's just extra usable. What is this? It's a shock blaster.
We must defend the presidential palace.
Oh, Mercadia is not Arcadia. I'm stupid. Unless I'm doubly wrong. Anyways, I think the these little ship guys could be really fun. Like they hit on 4s, you know, small ones hitting on 5s. You have the small guys come in units of little bases of 3. None of this is going to make any sense, like, if you don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, but it's fine. I like these guys, like some tough 6 action. Maybe even tough now. That one just went completely off. 3 for 1, Christ. These little guys spawning them, that's cute. See, that can be an ability. Give me all this. Alright, there we go. Alright, to the moment at hand. Die. Die.
Area secured. Nice work, ladies. Let's do that.
Very, very nice. Alright, no. Yeah, I'm not doing any extra fucking shit, because it's just the same shit drawn out. Activate these bolt cranks while you shoot these fucking dudes. Quick, kill these dudes, but in this way. On this map for their 20 fucking minutes. I'm being very, very not. See the game slow down for a second? And it's not being like actually upset. But it is funny to me. What? Oh, damn. Alright, well, anyways, we'll pick this back up in the next one. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and cheers.